This is an introduction to the analysis tool showing its main functionalities. Within the analysis tool, you can create maps, also new maps, and different types of graphs. To be able to save your work, you must be logged in as a user. How to register? You see the tutorial video analysis register. You can save workspaces and open them under My Workspaces. You can save maps. And open them under the My Maps menu. You can save also graphs. And open them under the My Graphs menu. The maps you see here are all created under the default workspace. You can save the default workspace as a new workspace by clicking on the Save As button and click on OK. And then you can open the workspace from under My Workspaces. You can pin a workspace to be opened or reopened every time you come back to the analysis tool and log in. By double clicking on this icon, the pin becomes green. You can also rename a workspace by double clicking on its tab and then rename by entering. You can also create a new workspace. You click on My Workspaces and I'll create a new one where you can create new maps and new graphs. Within a map view, you can add a subproduct. And navigate through its timeline. Zoom in. You can outmask selected geometry or region. You can pan. You can add a vector layer. You can show and hide map objects. You can also save your map. And open under the My Maps. You can also link the maps in the panning and the zooming. And you can also link the timeline or unlink the timeline. Now it is unlinked. And now the timeline is linked so that in both maps the nearest date is shown. You can create 4 types of graphs, time series graphs: a profile graph, a cumulative graph, a ranking, and a metrics graph. They are all shown in this workspace. They are highly customizable, and for a detailed explanation on how to create these graphs and customize your graphs, I refer to the video tutorials for each graph type. As you can see that the new workspace name is still red, so it has not been saved yet. You can click then on the Save button here, and your workspace is created, and the name is not red anymore. Furthermore, there is also the possibility to administer your legends, your layers, and your logos. In all these administration tools, you can create new legends and layers and logos. And in this case, you can also copy a legend. And for example, copy this legend. You can edit it, and here your legend is then highly customizable. For the legends, I refer to the video legend administration. Then there is the same for the layers. There's a layer administration. The ones with an I, they are not editable because they are created by the JRC. And the ones that are created by the user, they are editable, where you can also import your layer. I refer for a detailed explanation about the layer administration to its relative video. The same thing for the logos. Also here you can add a logo and change some settings of logos. Thank you for your attention.